Okay, so we have a mathematics question that says study the sketch of y equal to x squared minus 2x minus x. This curve you are seeing, it is coming from this equation. That is the meaning. This is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. Now, they're saying find the coordinates of A and B. So A here and B there. Now, where are these coordinates found? They are found along the x-axis. In the x-axis, the values for y are 0. So that simply means you get this equation. So it is now x squared minus 2x, and then you say minus 8. So this one, it is this one. Now you say equal to what? To 0. Why? Because the coordinates which they want here and there, the values of y are equal to what? To 0. The next step, now as you can see, this format, it is a form of what? Quadratic. How do we know? Because of x squared, x and a constant. Whenever you see such, it simply means this is a what? A quadratic. Now in a quadratic, you're supposed to say this times this. Always the one with the x squared times the number there. So I'm going to get negative 80x squared. So x squared times negative 8, I'm going to get this one. That's the first step. Next step, you look for two numbers which you can multiply to get this one. So the two numbers, we may use 2 and 4, because 2 times 4, it is 8. Now at the same time, in between, supposed to introduce positive or negative. You have seen? Yes. Now why do we do so? Because the main essence is, once we pick those two numbers, they're supposed to give me the middle number here, which is negative 2. So we need to pick one of these signs here. So for example, if I pick a negative and then I say 2 minus 4, I'm going to get negative 2. So meaning that these here, meaning that where there is 4, there is what? A negative. Because 2 minus 4, negative 2. So 2 times negative 4, negative 8. I hope you are following. Now from there, we pick these two numbers, then we replace them where there is negative 2. So we do, this x will come like this. And then here now we put positive, these two now, x. Now here there is negative 4, you put negative 4x. Now you put negative 8 there, equal to 0. I hope you are following. Now here, the next step is you do this. Now you check what is common here. It is x. So you put x outside. I'm going to remain with 1x. Then you say plus 2 there. So x times x, x is square. X times 2, it is 2x. You have seen? You come to this one. What sign is common? It is negative. So you go to the smaller number 4. Can 4 go into 8? Yes. So you put 4. So if I remove 4 and then 4 can go there, and then here I need to put positive 2 equal to 0. Why am I doing so? Because this one and this one, they're supposed to be the same. For example, negative 4 times x, negative 4x. Negative times positive, negative 4 times 2, it is 8. You have seen? Yes. So now the next step, you get this one and this one, these external numbers. So you say open x minus 4, then equal to 0. That's the first equation. And you say, or you pick one of these. Since they are the same, just pick one. So it is now x plus 2 equal to what? To 0 there. Now you say this negative 4 is supposed to come there. So it is now x equal to what? Positive 4. And then this one, it is x. So this positive 2 is supposed to move there. So equal to what? Negative 2. So this simply means this. So this negative 2 simply means it is here. Because this is a 0, going this side it is negative. From here, going this side it's positive. So meaning at point A here, point A, the coordinates for point A, which is supposed to be negative 2, what? 0, which is point A. Why are we putting a 0? Because the value for y here it is 0. How about the point B? Point B, since this side is positive, we pick 4. So it will be 4, 0, which is point B. So these are the answers.